Hi, my name is Brett Bainey, and I joined Liberty Aid Academy a couple of weeks ago. I purchased the trust package and was uh, extremely happy with how simple and also cost effective it was. I had called several attorneys around to try and get some quotes and see what they would charge to get trust up and running. The lowest I got was $5,000, all the way up to $15,000 to $20,000, just to set up and establish a basic trust, a private trust, to operate my business outside of, as well as to put different assets inside. But the main thing for me was setting up my business. And after going through the course, I was actually incredibly surprised how easy it was. It was almost too easy, to the point you're like, is this actually gonna work? And it worked. I went to Wells Fargo to set up the trust. I got everything printed off, followed the course just exactly as it was, and also reached out to John through his community to ask for any help and additional questions I may have beforehand, which was extremely helpful because I thought it was just going to be a course that you follow, hey, you're on your own, but he's got an entire community of people to help you, as well as he responds very quickly with expert advice within that community too. So doing that, I was able to set up my trust. Got it set up at Wells Fargo. It was extremely easy, and like he said, it's a boring process. Takes about an hour, to the point where I'm like, why are attorneys charging 5 to 20 grand to do something that is this simple? You know, there has to be something going on with them. But there's not with these guys, with Liberty Aid Academy. They made it incredibly simple. So I have my business operating out of that trust now instead of being in the open. This is the trust I had set up, as well as documents from Wells Fargo. And I got the debit card today too. So literally just came in today. It's pretty cool. And he helped me too as well to get an EIN number from the IRS to operate the business, the trust outside of as well. And the course too, which I really loved and enjoyed, and I was so surprised to see, was how in depth it goes on how to grow this trust, as well as take care of some tax issues that I did have in the past, previously, since joining. Completely taken care of, no issue whatsoever now, since operating and setting up this trust. And in addition to growing the trust, setting up business credit within the trust, it basically is like all the secrets that all the rich and wealthy do that they don't want you to know about. You know, they play by I've heard my whole life that they play by a different set of rules. You know, the wealthy, they understand money in different ways, and now I feel like, okay, it's actually this simple, it's this easy when you get educated on, you know, what the actual laws are and the rules are, and you just follow it, and that's how simple it is. I feel very confident and happy with my purchase and getting my trust set up. I'm incredibly blessed and grateful to be a part of this community, Liberty Aid Academy, and also to have John's expert help that just within a few texts make a post in his community. I know he's going to respond within a couple of hours because he did it for me, and I've seen him do it for several others as well. So incredibly grateful. Thank you, Liberty Aid Academy. I look forward to continuing to grow this trust and my knowledge as well, and leveraging your resources. So thank you.